Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to tackle a fascinating coding problem, Unique Binary Search Trees Part 2. This problem challenges us to generate all structurally unique binary search trees for a given set of numbers. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what a binary search tree, or BST, actually is. It is a tree data structure where every node follows a specific rule. All values in the left subtree must be strictly less than the root, and all values in the right subtree must be strictly greater than the root. This property allows for efficient searching. Here is our goal. We are given an integer, and we need to generate all possible structurally unique binary search trees that store the values from 1 to n. The output should be a list of root nodes for these trees. As you can see in the example for n equals 3, the result is a list containing 5 distinct tree structures. Let's look closer at the example where n is 3. There are exactly 5 possible trees. Notice how the root changes. In the first 2 trees, the root is 1. In the third tree, the root is 2. And in the last 2 trees, the root is 3. Our algorithm needs to systematically find every single one of these configurations. How do we approach this? The core idea is to iterate through every number from 1 to n and treat each number as the potential root of a tree. Once we pick a number, say I, as the root, all numbers smaller than I will form the left subtree, and all numbers larger than I will form the right subtree. This leads us naturally to a recursive solution. First, we select a root. Second, we recursively generate all possible left subtrees using the numbers smaller than our root, and all possible right subtrees using the numbers larger than our root. Finally, we combine these results together. The combination step is crucial. For a fixed root I, we might get multiple valid left subtrees and multiple valid right subtrees. To form all full trees rooted at I, we must pair every single left subtree with every single right subtree. This is essentially a Cartesian product of the two lists. Let's translate this into logic. We define a function that takes a start and end range. We loop from start to end. For each number I, we make recursive calls for the left and right ranges. Then, using nested loops, we combine every left child with every right child, attach them to a new node I, and add this new tree to our results list. A quick note on performance. The number of unique BSTs is given by the Catalan numbers. This sequence grows extremely fast. For n equals 10, there are over 16,000 trees. Both our time and space complexity are related to this Catalan number growth, making this an exponential time algorithm. To wrap up, remember these key points. We are looking for structural variations. We iterate through each number as a potential root. We use recursion to solve for the smaller subranges, and we use a Cartesian product approach to combine the subtrees. I hope this helps you understand how to generate unique BSTs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.